Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Pro, where we make accounting simple and fun. Today's question is a quick net profit challenge. Let's see if you can solve it before I reveal the answer. The following data is taken from ABC Traders for the month of March 2025. Net assets on the 1st of March, rupees. 4,200,000 net assets on 31st March, rupees. 6,800,000 drawings, rupees. 500,000 additional capital, rupees. 400,000. Question, what's the net profit for the month? Did you get your answer? Let's check together. We use the change in net assets formula. Net profit equals ending net assets minus beginning net assets plus additional capital minus drawings. Now plug in the numbers. Net profit equals 6,800,000 minus 4,200,000 minus 400,000 plus 500,000. That gives us a net profit of rupees 2,700,000. Quick tip: whenever you calculate profit using net assets, always remember to adjust for drawings and additional capital. It keeps your results accurate and professional. Comment below if you got it right. And don't forget to follow Accounting Pro for more daily accounting challenges, quizzes, and tutorials to sharpen your accounting skills.